Welcome to the first tutorial of AutoCAD for beginners. This is Niveen Abdal. When you double-click the AutoCAD icon, you will find the initial screen, and this screen is divided into two parts. The Create tab at the bottom, where you can start a new drawing, open an existing drawing, navigate through the current drawing that you have been working on, receive notification from Autodesk regarding your software, and sending feedback to Autodesk to improve their products. On the Learn tab, you will find video tutorials on how to start a drawing using AutoCAD. Let's have a look at the AutoCAD user interface. At the top left corner, you will find the application menu, where you can find all the commands related to files, including new, open, save as if you want to change the name and location of the current drawing, import, export of the drawing into different formats such as PDF, DWF, GGN, and others. Also, you can print your drawing from here, or you can choose to close the current drawing or all open drawings. Here, you will find a search bar where you can type the command name that you want to find more information about it. And below this bar, you will find two down arrows. The first one arrange the drawings based on axis, date, size, type, and the second arrow display the drawings either as small icons or large icons, small images or large images. Beside the application menu, you will find the quick access menu bar. This is called quick access menu bar, and it includes all the commands in the application menu in addition to undo and redo commands. You can customize the command display in this bar using this down arrow here. For example, if you want to display the plot icon, just put the check mark. It will display the printer icon. If you want to hide this icon, just remove the check mark and it will disappear from the quick access menu bar. Beside it, you will find the drawing title, and then you will find the info center, where you can find more information and services from Autodesk company. Also, you can press the question mark here to find online help from Autodesk homepage. Below the drawing title, you will find the menu bar, and you can display or hide this bar from this down arrow. If you click this option, it will disappear. If you want to show it, just click again, show menu bar. Below the menu bar, you will find the ribbon. This gray area is called ribbon, and ribbon is divided into three parts. The tabs, this such as home, insert, annotate tab, and each tab is divided into panels. Each panel contains many tools. For example, the draw panel contains line, circle, arc, which is the basic commands required to draw entities in AutoCAD. In the modify panel, you can find all the commands that you can use to adjust and edit your drawing. You can control the display of your ribbon by clicking the panel and drag it to the location and drop it based on your requirement. Also, you can drag the title of the panel to make it a floating panel in the drawing area. Also, you can adjust the toggle orientation of the panel by pressing this one. So you have this down arrow to show all the commands included in this panel. By clicking the down arrow, it displays to the bottom. If you click the toggle orientation again, it will display to the right. You can also return this panel to its location by clicking this up arrow here, so it comes back to its location in the ribbon. Below the ribbon, you will find the File tab, and here you will find the Drawing one, where you can display and see the model and paper space of your drawing. And you will find the star sign beside the drawing, which indicates that the drawing has been changed and you need to save the drawing before close it. Below the File tab, you will find the drawing area. This is called the drawing area. And here on the right corner, you will find the View Cube. And usually the View Cube is adjusted to display the top view of your drawing. If you want to change to the back view, you have to click the arrow here. If you want to display the top view, just click this one. If you want to display the left view, just the arrow, and it will display the left view of your drawing. Below the View Cube, you will find the navigation bar. Here you can use the pan command to drag your drawing area. Also, you can use the zoom command. If you press this one, you will find a lot of zoom commands. Explain all these commands in detail. Below the drawing area, you will find the command line, and the command line can be displayed either at the bottom or at the top, like this one. Below the command line, you will find the status bar, and this status bar is divided into two parts. On the left corner, you will find the model space and the paper space, and usually the paper space can be divided into many layouts, layout 1, 2, 3, and you can create as many layouts as you want. On the right corner, you will find many toggles where you can switch them on off based on your requirements, and you can customize the display of the toggles using these three horizontal lines, where you can find a lot of toggles to display on the status bar. For example, if you want to display the coordinates, you just put the check mark and it will display on the status bar. If you don't want to display it, just remove the check mark. It will disappear from the status bar. And I will devote a special lesson for the status bar to explain each toggle and the function of each one, because it contains a lot of toggles, important one that can help drawing precisely. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you for watching.